For two sisters, traveling to all 88 county courthouses in Ohio was a lifelong dream.
We've planned the trip unofficially since we were kids.
So last year, they packed their bags, buckled up, and drove across the state.
Basically just printed off a map of Ohio and kind of took a pencil and sketched in a map that we think would work.
They did it in 7 days. The sisters drove to each county, took a photo of themselves in front of the courthouse, and moved on to their next destination.
We visited 15 or 16 counties in the first day, and we were exhausted, worn out, it was too much. And so then after that, the remaining 6 days, we ended up usually between 9 and 13 counties a day.
They took note of the distinct beauty of each courthouse.
I was amazed at just how different many of them were. They were built at different times. I think the county courthouse is an important part of each community. It kind of gives them something to hold on to as their own.
In those 7 days, the sisters learned more about each other and made memories to last a lifetime.
We crashed a wedding in Cuyahoga County.
They also marveled at how their lives have changed since they were kids. One is now a high school Spanish teacher, the other is a pastor. But their lives came full circle with this trip.
Now that we're adults, I know a lot of people don't get to have, or might not have, close relationships with their siblings. And I'm happy that I do have one and that we got to spend this time together.